Hi, I'm Robert from Glomatek. Today I will show you how to disassemble a Waterboss gun. Let's go. We unscrew the nozzle shroud. Next, we extract the valve seat. It's time to remove the housing screws. We remove a panel from the housing. Now we disconnect the inlet pipe. It's time to remove the other housing panel. Next, we pull out the trigger. Now, we very carefully remove the E-ring. Then, we extract the link actuator together with the stainless steel washer. We remove the security seal on the back of the valve body. We remove the valve stem and valve guide from the valve body. We disconnect the stainless steel spring. And finally we separate the valve guide.